Hey everyone, this is Kendall Johnson. Thanks for taking a moment to watch this video. I'm preparing this short review video for anybody who's here looking for more information about IKeepItAll.com. I'm sure a lot of you want to know if this is legit or if it's a scam. So I have some information. I'm going to run through those issues in this video here. If you want more information after this, you can go to the description below and you'll find a link to my website and my blog, IKeepItAllReview.com. And also for those of you that want more information about business, you can visit my website, topvaluecoaching.com. That's a place where you can find out more information about this program. I did a brief review there. I also have some more information that you can learn about getting coaching if you're interested in that, if you're really serious about making money, serious about having a business. So be sure to visit my website, Top Value Coaching. I'll also provide a link for that below this video. But for the meantime, the reason why most people are here is because you probably heard about this program. You may have received a postcard like the one that you see here on the screen. So let me explain what this is and how this works. The first thing I want to talk about is the products that come with this package. There's actually three main products. The first product, the primary product, is this right here. It's a diamond. All right. A lot of people love diamonds. A lot of people use diamonds in different kinds of jewelry that they own. So the diamond that you get is anywhere between a 3 and a 10 carat diamond. Now the diamond, as you can see, you could probably see some of the sparkle in it, but this is an uncut raw diamond, and everyone gets the same. So if you actually want this diamond to be polished and cut down, you have to send it off to somebody to do that. But the diamond comes with your package. There's no guarantee on what size it is. It's only guaranteed to be between the sizes of 3 carats and 10 carats. The second thing that you get is this thumb drive here. As you can see, it's a small little drive, and on this drive is 10,000 names and addresses. Now, the reason why you have names and addresses in this here is because the way things work, when you're in a business and you send out postcards, there's usually 2 different people you send out postcards to. You either send out postcards to your existing clients or people who have requested more information about your business, or you send out postcards to people who are interested in what your product line is. So if you're selling weight loss products, you're going to get a mailing list of people that have purchased or expressed extreme interest in losing weight or purchasing weight loss products, right? That will be your mailing list. So the list that's on here is a list of people that have either purchased or are interested in a business opportunity. So that's the reason why you received a postcard. One way or another, you're tied into some sort of business or company that got your name and address and knows that you're somebody who's involved with or looking to get involved with a home-based business to make money from home, right? So what happens is somebody sends out a postcard, right? If you were to sign up for this program today, you can get your own postcards just like the one you see here on the screen. Of course, there's a better version, but this is a sample. And your name and address is going to be in the bottom right-hand corner of the back of the postcard, just like this as you see here. And anytime somebody decides that they want more information, the first thing they're going to do is come to the website, IKeepItAll.com, which is where we are right here. And when they get to the website, they're going to go through the information that's here if they would like to look for more information about this. And then if they decide that they want to sign up, they know where to purchase from. They'll go to the name and address on the back of the postcard and they'll send off their payments to you, right? They're going to send you a money order for $1,000, which is your commission. And they're also going to send you 12 books of stamps, and they're also going to send you their $299 for the administration fee. At that point, it's your responsibility upon receiving it to send off the administration fee to the company with your customer's name and information and 6 books of the 12 books of stamps. That goes to the company, and the company drop ships your order, which also means they fulfill your order to your customer. And what your customer is going to receive is their 3 to 10 carat diamond, their thumb drive of 10,000 names and addresses, and they're also going to get a marketing guide, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes on the screen here. You're going to have all of this documentation, as you can see here, the marketing guide, and all of the other documents. So that's pretty much what the product is. So it costs $1,000 to join, $299 for the administration fee, and then the cost of postcards, and also $150 to register, right? Registering into the program gets you put into the system. There's a lot of really great moving parts here behind the scenes. A lot of that I have on the blog as well as the other videos, but this is just one short recap of what this is. So getting back into this, when a person comes here to IKeepItAll.com, they're going to be here seeing these different videos. And if they're interested, they can watch all these videos or as many videos as they want. And then they'll scroll down more and more videos. And then you go, and these are basically just videos that show people that have been sending out postcards, having success, getting orders and collecting orders and $1,000 payments from their customers. So you'll get here, you'll read the website. This is where they explain who Nutty Mike is, how this program was designed, why it was made, who created it, what type of results they've had, what type of income potentially you can make from being involved with this. And this is basically like, basically a sales letter that tells you everything you get. So this is the website. So essentially you don't need to have your own website. All you need is the postcard. The postcard has your name and address on it, and it uses the company's website to actually do all the explaining and selling. Now, is this a program that I recommend? I mean, I'm involved with it. I personally decided to purchase this product package. I also wanted to become a reseller because I've been in programs before where I've had the opportunity to make thousands of dollars by being in something that I know was like really well put together. Now, I will say that this company is not perfect. Their products are not perfect. Most companies and products are not perfect. There's always room for improvement. However, at this point in time, we're getting into a season of the year where the fall season is approaching, and a lot of people are going to be interested in starting home-based businesses and getting involved in different opportunities to make money. And quite frankly, being that we're earning $1,000 commissions getting paid directly from our customer, and we don't have to wait for a paycheck weekly or twice a month or once a month from the supplier, we get to get paid right away. So if you make 3 sales in a week, you're going to make $3,000 a week. If you make 5 sales in a month, you'll make $5,000 in a month. Now that is money that can actually make moves for people, right? It can actually do something if you're making $1,000 per sale. So that's the reason why I came into it, because I've been doing internet marketing and marketing for a while, and I generally don't like to do anything that's less than $1,000 per sale in commission, right? So that's what made me decide to get involved with this program. It's pretty much new. It's innovative. I've never seen anything done like this before, and I've seen quite a few things. So that's generally it. Send a postcard to somebody who's interested in a business opportunity to make money. The person goes to the website because they see the website on the postcard. If they like what they see here, they're able to either contact you or they're able to order directly through the postcard, and you will receive a $1,000 money order directly through the mail, and the rest of the money and the information gets sent off by you to the company who fulfills your order. So it's essentially like a drop shipping situation. All right. So, yes. So do I recommend it? Yes, I recommend it. If you're somebody who's serious about making money in a home-based business, whether you've had one before or you want to try something new, this is probably great for you. If you're on a tight budget, if you don't have $500, if you don't have $1,000, or if you don't have $2,000 or $3,000 available to start a business, this probably won't work out for you. The math is just not going to make sense because it's about $1,500 to $1,600 just to get in the door before you do any postcards or anything like that. So having a credit card or some sort of funds available, access to funds, is going to be a requirement. I've had people I've seen ask the question, is there any way that they can get involved with this for a price less than $1,000? And the answer to that is no. According to the way the system works, this is for United States residents only. This is not for international. And you pretty much do need to have the money to get started with this. And that's pretty much it. Now, I do have a couple of other opportunities that I can recommend that don't cost $1,000 or $1,500 to get started. So if you're interested in that, just let me know. I'll share that information with you, or you can call me or contact me and we can go over what your options are. But for the most part, this is going to work best for people that have the investment capital to get started. And let's see what else. So like I said, what you can do is go visit my website, iKeepItAllReview.com, or visit my coaching website, topvaluecoaching.com. You come here to my website, you'll read a little bit of review about this program, check out some of my recent posts, which might change. There might be more as of today. And then, like I said, my contact information is here, so you can give me a call and see some of the information that you can learn from me. As a matter of fact, aside from the different things that I'm specifically going to teach people who are going to be promoting this program, I also have some free training here on my website. If you access the training tab right here. If that's the ideal situation for you, if you'd like someone who can mentor you, coach you, and give you training in all different types of home-based business, by all means, feel free to reach out to me. My number will be below this video, 516-200-4804. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment, and I'll see you soon. Thanks very much.